OncologyTube exclusive video. FDA approves Lurbinectedin with Atezolizumab for ES-SCLC. IMforte trial. 660 extensive stage small cell lung cancer patients enrolled. 483 randomized 1-to-1 after induction therapy. Median overall survival. 13.2 versus 10.6 months. HR 0.73. P equals 0.0174. 12-month overall survival. 56.3% versus 44.1%. Median progression-free survival. 5.4 versus 2.1 months. HR 0.54, 0.0001. 6-month progression-free survival. 41.2% versus 18.7%. ORR. 19.4% versus 10.4%. Median duration of response. 9.0 versus 5.6 months silent. Grade 3/4 adverse events 38% versus 22%. Serious AEs. 31% versus 17%. Nausea. 36.4% versus 4.2%. If you like this video, you might like FDA approves Imlunestrant for ESR1 mutated breast cancer. Ember 3 insights shown here, and be sure to visit OncologyTube.com for a web companion and more cancer topics. Thank you.